Okay, so again, here we are at the ascending aorta, and this would be the brachiocephalic coming here, and then one main branch, the right common carotid, and again our right subclavian looks like it's buried here behind the right subclavian vein. Okay, our left common carotid is nicely visible here. They don't have an external carotid on this model, but you can see it change to the internal carotid here as it's going into the skull. And the blue, you can clearly see the internal jugular next to it. Okay, so they're right next to each other. Okay, remember that this blue one's a jugular and not a carotid. That confuses people sometimes. They want to call this the carotid vein, but there is no carotid vein. So it's a carotid artery, jugular vein. Okay, then as far as our arteries, we have the left subclavian artery here, and here's the left subclavian vein. Okay, so the internal jugular vein and subclavian vein on both sides come together to form the brachiocephalic vein. Okay, we'll repeat that over here. The subclavian, internal jugular, brachiocephalic, and then the two brachiocephalic veins fuse to form the superior vena cava. Again, part of our aorta, we had the ascending and the arch. As we continue posteriorly here, you can see the thoracic aorta. And then as we get past the diaphragm, you can see some branches of the abdominal aorta here and here. And then you can see kind of the tail end of it, the inferior end of it right here. Okay, we're seeing our common iliac arteries and veins here, dividing into our external and internal iliac arteries and external and internal iliac veins.